This is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here to share my kit for September 2026. There are 4 weeks that are predominantly in September, so I'm going to be sharing 4 kits this week. And as you can kind of tell from the quick spread, these are kits that I've used before, but I'm just going to use them again. So first off, the first week is August 31st through September 6th. So the weekend that belongs to this week is Labor Day weekend here in the United States. So I'm going to be traveling with some of my family, and we're going to be going to Maine for the weekend. We're going to use this kit from B&R Paper Crafts called Camping. As you can see, I've used it before. This is actually a different version of the deluxe kit than the one that I used for this same kit just a couple of weeks ago. I think in July maybe. This is a different set of leftovers. I've used this kit several times over the last few years, but I just wanted to use it again. It will show up with some overlap in 2 different places in this planner. Still gonna use it. So on this page, you can see I have 3 full boxes in this kind of half deco box. I have some washi strips and functional things here. More functional things, boxes, glitter headers and little things. 2 more full boxes and some more functionals. Looks like some of this wasn't cut quite deep enough. And then full page of checklists. So definitely a good amount of stuff, and I'm excited to use it for that week. The next week is September 7th through the 13th, and this is another week. Monday is a day off for Labor Day. So definitely will be doing that. Sorry, just trying to rearrange things. I'm using another kit I've used before. I actually used this one, I believe, in May, but this is B&R Paper Crafts kit called Bee. This is another deluxe kit on matte vinyl. So on this page, we have 3 boxes here, a bunch of functional things on this page, a few washi strips and other functionals, boxes, glitter headers and little things, and then 2 more full boxes and some dates. Not the right dates, but that's fine. We'll make it work. So I'm excited to use this kit as well. The 3rd week is going to be September 14th through the 20th. And for this week, I'm going to use another B&R Paper Crafts kit that I have left over. This is a deluxe kit, although on regular sticker paper, not on matte vinyl. I don't think I've used this one this year, although I have talked about it and then just ended up not even using it for one of the spreads. But this one is called Princess. So on this page, I have 2 full boxes. Here I have a few boxes and headers, functional things, glittery boxes, glitter headers and little things. This half box here, I kept this whole page just for that. And then 3 more full boxes and some date dots. So we'll see how this spread works out. I'll definitely be pulling in some extras to make that one work. And then the last of the weeks that's predominantly in September is September 21st through the 27th. And for that week, I'm using another kit that I believe I used in April of this year. But this is the B&R Paper Crafts Zootopia kit. I have mostly the moody bits left, so I think it's perfect for September and that transitional season, especially this last week of September where we're officially in fall. We've passed the autumnal equinox, all that good stuff. So another deluxe kit, this one's on matte vinyl, 5 full boxes here, 1 more full box and some glitter headers, some more functionals, boxes, glittery boxes, 3 more full boxes and some icons. This format of the deluxe kit has a ton of boxes, so I definitely have enough left here. And then some functional things on this page. So it'll be interesting to see what I pull in from my stash, but I'm excited to pull things in from my stash. I think that's a really good way to use these things. And I'm excited to see how I can manage to use these kits differently than I have used them at other parts during even the same calendar year and therefore in the same planner. But I'm excited to see how it turns out. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what you have planned for September kits, the kit you're most excited to see me use, kits you want me to check out, or if you're not feeling chatty, leave me like a s'mores emoji just to say hi. I would love to hear from you. And then follow me on Instagram and Blue Sky at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads, bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.